This painting in particular is one that I've gotten sort of the most questions about, possibly because it's somewhat mysterious, and also possibly because most of the people I know are artists, and artists to a certain extent are alienated by numbers. Often we were not good at math or science, and that is something that kind of moved us towards making art. And I think art and science are kind of seen as oppositional. And one of the things I think I want to put pressure on is that opposition. And I want to put pressure on the idea of the objective being oppositional to the subjective. And think of really numbers as being one of the ways we draw our world. In the same way an artist might draw a line to capture something that they're seeing in the world, or to capture something that they're kind of noticing in themselves. Numbers also are one of the ways that we as bodies, as human beings, understand the world. And how we document the world, I think, is almost as rich as kind of what we see when we do document the world. And always those documents are subjective, they are meaningful to human beings. And this particular painting is an image of the surface of Mars, a kind of nondescript crater that was seen as meaningful because it was one of the first images of Mars that we were having access to. And it was sent back in this kind of very complicated, very mediated way. So that in fact, this image of numbers is actually closer to the surface of Mars than what we would have seen as the photographic, which would have been one step removed. In this image, 0 would have represented black, and 255 would have represented the lightest color. And the photographic image that was reproduced from these numbers that were sent back is actually further from the surface. And I found that interesting, that this thing that we saw as, to a certain extent, distant was actually closer to the material that it was trying to represent.